For this assignment, I worked with a group of 3 students in 3rd grade who are struggling with math. I asked my mentor teacher to help me come up with a numbers and operations word problem that was appropriate for the students. And here is the question. It is a compare question, and it has 2 parts to it. The question that is given in Part A is a compare smaller unknown question. Part B is a simple addition problem using the solution from Part A. There were some strengths and weaknesses I noticed from analyzing the students' work. All 3 students got Part A right of the question using a traditional algorithm, as you can see here. A weakness I noticed was that all 3 students got Part B wrong. It is clear that the students have a weakness in using the solution from Part A to discover the solution for Part B. Instead of using that solution, they used the numbers that were already given in the problem. Now I will compare the student performance in thinking. All 3 students performed the same. As to say, each student achieved 50% of the question correctly. Also, all 3 students thought about Part B in the same way, as you can see here. They all 3 attempted to add 38 to 18 in order to find the solution for Part B. All 3 students got the solution of 56. Aaron, however, attempted to continue the problem by adding 20 to 56, but then appeared to quit. It seemed as though his thinking was confused. He wasn't sure how to continue from there. There was also a common error that I noticed when looking at the students' work. There was a common misconception about translating the word problem into the correct algorithm. This can be seen in Part B. The students added 18 to 38 instead of adding 20 to 38 to get the total cost. The next step I would take is to do a follow-up lesson on this problem. I would like to make sure that the students understand how to use their solution from Part A in Part B. It is clear that the students' minds are sifting through what it knows in order to find the correct approach. This comes from the constructivist perspective. In the next lesson, I would ask one student to come to the board and explain how they solved the question. This way, the common misconception would be addressed for all the students that struggled with it. While the student is explaining how they solved it, they may come to the correct solution by resolving it all by themselves. By doing this, they could see where they messed up. If not, I will be there to support their learning. This would then foster a deeper understanding of the problem. This is better than me just giving the students the correct solution. Allowing them to reach the solution on their own is more beneficial for them. After this, in order to assess their understanding, I would then give them another problem in the same format.